Hi guys, so I am back with another unboxing. I have been a naughty girl, but if an opportunity is there, I say take it. I have been waiting a good 3, almost 4 weeks for this item. I'm so excited, and let's unbox. So I picked up this item from the Louis Vuitton store in my area. I prefer doing a order to ship to a store where I make an online purchase and I ship directly to the store. I personally think that it gives me a peace of mind knowing that my package is actually going to a place that is safe. I've heard horror stories of packages being left with no signature at people's homes. I live in an apartment building and we don't have a rental office that picks up our packages, so I don't trust my neighbors. Theft is very real, especially in these COVID times. I'm not taking any chances. I'd rather have it shipped to store where I don't have to worry about my packages being lost. Anyway, so you know the standard packaging. It comes with its receipts. Since it's an online order, you're gonna get your online stuff, your shipment, return labels, you know. I don't know about you, but there is something therapeutic about seeing this orange and blue combination. It feels so good. I love my Louis. I love my Chanel. I haven't made it there yet to get Hermes. Also, I want to point out that because I ship it to the store, they wrap it up way nicer. You know what's been going on with the quality control issues where a lot of people's items have been dumped and thrown in the box, and it's just been a mess, girl. So yeah, ship it to the store. If you have that ability to ship it to the store so you can pick it up, please do it. It saves you the stress. At least you get a little bit of the experience during these COVID times. And yeah, so let me untie this. It's tied so tightly, just like how I like it. Nice, safe, and secure. Okay. And the item I got is bam! Yep, the reverse monogram card holder. I totally blame social media. I totally blame everybody in the Lux world for this. I was and wasn't checking for this, but you know, because I don't have a Louis Vuitton card holder and I did want an actual card holder to add on to my collection, and on top of that, I don't have any reverse monogram pieces, I thought this would be a great segue. And surprisingly, this is like really soft. I thought it was going to be very, 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 very tight. Like I would have to break it in, but no, like, you know, I could like, I feel comfortable fitting more than one card in each slot. So, you guys probably have seen thousands of videos of this item, and I don't care if I'm going to be video number 1001. I'm joining the wave. So it has the paperwork in here. You know the house Louis Vuitton does. I'm just gonna put it in here. Let's see if we can find a date code. All right, this is the date code. My first 2020 luxury item piece. And when I say that, I mean this is the first piece that was made in 2020 that I've purchased. So this is new. The 31st week of 2020. Oh, it is new, y'all. It is currently, at the time of this recording, it is the 33rd week of 2020. So this baby was made last week. It's only a week old. It's fresh. It's new. It came straight out of the factory from France. So I feel really comfortable, you know, knowing that nobody owned this previously. And the glazing is really thick. I actually am surprised. I don't see anything wrong with the stitching, which is another plus. I hope this is how it's supposed to be as far as these corners go. It doesn't bother me. I think everything looks fine. I don't see anything crazy. Okay, so this segment is slowly becoming a signature of mine, and this is where I do the more in-depth portion. So I got a couple of items from my collection. I tried to get my smaller pieces, pieces that I think will be of value to compare. The first piece I wanted to show you is the Cles. So this is taller than the Cles, and the canvas is really similar. It's very soft in comparison. Say hi to your little sister. But like the Cles, it has the big Louis Vuitton symbol with the I guess Louis Vuitton flowers, and they align pretty, yeah, they align. Another piece that is a very popular item for Louis Vuitton collectors is the 6-key holder. Again, this is taller, but they share a similar, actually this is just a hair longer, just a hair. But look at the glazing in comparison. Very thick glazing. But the canvas again is very similar. I almost want to say the made in France pieces have a similar canvas, like they have the same canvas. Correct me if I'm wrong. Spain and Italy has a slightly different canvas from the French pieces. So this is a new baby. I have a video for that. And this is my Chanel mini bag, and this is where it fits. It fits very well, and it gives me more opportunity to squeeze in my other items like my lip gloss, my mirror, and you know, my usual items that I'm always putting in my mini bag. And this is how it looks in comparison to my Toiletry 15. And this is a made in Spain piece, and I noticed that it's a soft canvas, but it's a tad bit tougher, in my opinion, in comparison to this piece. And this is how it looks inside. A lot of space. So if you want to carry this as a clutch or as a catch-all piece, this card holder is a perfect piece to use. And last but not least, the most infamous SLG and Louis Vuitton history, in my opinion, the mini Pochette. And this is how it looks in comparison to the mini Pochette. A lot of space to fit in, and in my opinion, the canvas is similar. This is the made in France piece. I don't think any mini Pochette is made outside of France. Correct me if I'm wrong on that as well. You can tell that my mini Pochette is getting a little bit older. I bought this straight from the store, and you know, the patina is real. Look how fresh this is in comparison to this. I have used this. And I have some loyalty cards just to give you guys an idea of how many cards could fit. So I have 3 cards in here. It's still very flat. I'm going to see if I can double up without it compromising its shape. All right, I'm starting to see some indentation over here. I must warn you guys, do not overstuff this. Otherwise, you will stretch it out. This is meant to be like a grab and go piece, in my opinion. But you see how it's quickly being indented. There's 2 in here, there's 2 in here, and there's 2 in here, so 6 cards. This is max. I don't feel comfortable stuffing it to that capacity. But this is how it looks with using there's only technically 3 card slots. And I want to show how it looks in comparison to the Chanel card holder. I think the Chanel card holder is just a tad bit taller, but the Chanel card holder holds 1, 2, 3, 4. But you can put way more way more cards in here without the shape being compromised, as opposed to this. This is only meant for a credit card, your ID, maybe a bill or 2, yeah, and a Metro card if you take public transportation, and that's about it. Now the question you might be wondering is, do I think this is worth the price? It's really up to you, and really up to your lifestyle and what you're willing to pay for. These are luxury items. Do we really need to spend $200 to $300 on a card case? No, we do not. But if you are somebody who really appreciates a certain brand, if you are a luxury collector of items, if you want to expand and grow, or you know, tap into into the luxury realm, this is a good starter piece. I personally think it might be a tad bit overpriced. I would price this realistically at about $180, $190. But of course, the hype is real, for 1, and 2, Louis Vuitton has definitely and clearly shown us that it has no intention of decreasing their prices. So if I were you, I will hop on board if you like really want to get a Louis Vuitton piece before this one day becomes $300 retail. And at the rate it's going, it's not far-fetched. In about 3 to 4 years, this entry-level piece will be about $300. It already price increased by $10. It's on the fast track. And this item is very popular on the reselling sites such as Fashion File and all that. It's already being sold for like $300-400. So it's really up to you. If you really want to get it, I will hop on it as soon as possible. If the opportunity is there, hop on it. Okay guys, thank you once again for watching another video of mine. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, anything of that sort, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.